Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Please remember to subscribe and like my videos. Today's video I'll be talking about a Jeep TJ Wrangler. That's a 1999 Jeep Wrangler TJ. Let's jump right into the video. This is a Jeep which I've bought sometime last year, and it needed a little work. This is what it looks like. When I bought this Jeep, it had some frame damage, rusted out. This is what it looked like in the video, which I'm going to show you. This is what it looks like now after we've replaced this control, the lower control support. The kit, we have bought that piece on eBay for about $50 and got it welded in. However, after welding it in, I realized that the lower control arm, when I'm driving it, put it into lower gear, it has I hear a knocking. But this bolt, it's not the original bolt for this. I just put that bolt there to sort of hold it in place. This is the original bolt for the lower control arm. I did cut the nut because I couldn't get to pull it, so I cut the nut off. So this is a different nut. So I'm going to install this lower control arm bolt. These are my tool bag. I have my tools here. I have the WD-40. So I'm going to try it out. Spray it with the WD-40 to try and loosen it up. As you can see, I'm on the street. This is a street garage. I do off-road parking. Let's see what's going on. Try to pull this. bolt it. So this is what came out. So I'm going to install this one. Okay, what happened there? It's locked up because I pulled it. It sort of slip away. It doesn't line up. So I'm going to try to line it up. What I'm going to do is start the car and put it in reverse. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is start it. I see it's stick shift standard, so I'm going to start it. I'm going to get it in reverse. I'm going to back it up a bit. So I'm going to pull up the handbrake. Now I'm going to get it in reverse to see if it can line up. Okay, let's go try and see. Yeah, lines up. I'm going to try this washer. Let's turn it off. Try to finish tightening it up. Okay. Yeah, now I'm going to try and drive the truck to see if I hear any more. I'm going to test run it, test drive it to see if the to hear if the control arm is still making that noise. It's in first. So far I haven't heard that sound anymore. It's running good. I haven't heard any more of that sound. I guess that's what was causing the knocking. And running better, man. I don't hear that knocking anymore. Yeah, as you can see, the bolt is in place. The whole rear end is much stabilized, no more knocking. So I think that's what was causing the problem. That was causing the problem. So thank you, YouTube, for watching. Please remember to subscribe and like my videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.